This is a review of the Shark Handheld Vacuum. So we've had this for a couple of years now, and the main reason why we bought this is because we have a pet rabbit, and oftentimes we need to vacuum up her area, and we don't really want to bring out the big vacuum. So having this small compact vacuum allows us to vacuum up little dusts or little trash pieces really in just a matter of seconds. So the vacuum actually comes with a few different attachments. You have this one here, this one here, which then also has a little brush that flips around. And both of those fit inside of this dock. To actually power on the vacuum, all you have to do is press this button and press it to turn it off. So it's really simple and easy to use. There is a little trash container here that's very simple to empty. So to empty the trash, all you do is press down on this button and then it will open up. So we keep it plugged in right here on our kitchen counter, and all we have to do is slide it in its slot and it will start to charge. You notice the battery will last probably up to 30 to 45 minutes of continuous use, but then plugging it into the charger, it charges it really fast. So I actually just got done cutting my hair, so I'm going to vacuum up some of the loose hairs on the floor. Just like that, the sink is pretty much clean.